Alright guys, welcome back to another new video. So today I'm gonna show you how to make Obsidian in Minecraft, Bedrock and Java Edition. So the first thing you need to do is find a source of lava. You can find lava above ground or in caves. It doesn't matter where you find it as long as you have some. Next you need to craft a bucket. So for bucket we need 3 iron ingots. So here we can see if we place it in a V shape, we can get a bucket. So now comes the important part. Once we have crafted the bucket, we need to fill it with a source. So I just made a source of water here. So I'm just gonna take it. Oops, I fell. Okay, now I have a water bucket. So there's a quite interesting part here. So you see, if we place water next to lava, it is important to understand the type of lava you're working with. Like, let me show you. Here we can see if I break this and here the lava is flowing. If we place water on flowing lava, then it's going to turn to stone, cobblestone to be precise. Here we can see the flowing lava turned into cobblestone and the stagnant lava turned to obsidian. So if you want a lot of obsidian, what we can do is go to a higher place and then place water from above. So it will flow and we can get a lot of obsidian. Okay, let's empty it again. Okay, now, so to collect obsidian, we must use a diamond pickaxe. If you try to break it with an iron pickaxe or a lower, the block will break but would not drop anything. So before mining, you should be careful and mine beside it and a little below it, so you don't fall into, lava. It takes a bit of time, so using an efficiency enchanted pickaxe, it can help to quicken up the process. Once the block breaks, you can collect it. You'll need at least 10 to 12 obsidian blocks to make a nether portal, but you can use the obsidian for so many other things. And that's pretty much it for this video. Do leave a like and subscribe to my channel if it helps you. That's all from my side today. Goodbye.